Ah yes, she gets me hard. Ah yes, you know. She gets me hard, she gets me hard. Ah yes, she gets me hard. Cause I'm in this turn of hours and that's every time that I'm with her. She's amazing, yeah, she's more than a friend. The only girl I trust enough to tell her everything and let her in my head, tell her yo the deepest of secrets. Cause when she tells me I can trust her, that's a promise she's keeping. I remember when we first met, remember it all. We started off as being friends and then it turned into more. All the hours that we spent up on the phone we would talk, but then the hours passed us by and found us into the morning. But like me with relationships, he didn't take them seriously. The last one that you had, he left you with some insecurities and played with your heart and left a mess up in your head. But I promise unlike him I won't let it happen again. I love spending time with you, I can't get enough. So promise me you'll never change because you're perfect how you are. Ah yeah, she gets me hard. She's amazing in every way, I promise that I will never ever do you wrong if you promise to remain faithful to me, I'll do the same for you. Ah yeah, she gets me hard. It's a buzz that I love, I'm addicted, that's why I will never ever let you go if you promise to remain the same and never change, I'll do the same for you. The one thing I love the most when I'm out with some friends, she doesn't hassle me like where you at and who you with, and trusting ain't the problem, both sides is 100%. Relationships they like on trust are the ones that'll end. She's my drug, she's my blood, she's an adrenaline rush. To tell her that she is amazing, yeah that still ain't enough. But what we have is something special and I'm telling you that. People take their whole life to try and find what we have. You're truly beautiful, I tell you I ain't lying about. Telling you you're beautiful from the inside and out. Until your ex was he blind, he had you wrong from the start. But I'm glad he messed it up and gave me a shot at your heart. Sometimes you talk for hours and sometimes you muck around. You like the friend I never had and I would never let you down. But most of all the thing I love is how you acting like yourself. And when you're with me, when you kiss me, you ain't act like no one else. Ah yeah, she gets me hard. She's amazing in every way, I promise that I will never ever do you wrong if you promise to remain faithful to me, I'll do the same for you. Ah yeah, she gets me hard. It's a buzz that I love, I'm addicted, that's why I will never ever let you go if you promise to remain same and never change, I'll do the same for you.